In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can do settings for Instagram tags and mentions. So let's dive right in. After opening Instagram, you will be on this home page. From here, if you click on this profile that's showing right bottom side, it will show you dashboard like this. Then in the upper side, you will find here these three lines. You have to click on that. It will open up this settings and activity here. Then scroll it down. Here you will find this tags and mentions. You can open it. Now we will do settings for Instagram tags and mentions. So here, it will give you this option, allow tags from everyone. If you allow this option, then everyone can tag you under their post. If you enable this second option, allow tags from people you follow, then only the people you follow can tags. No one else can tag. In the third option, don't allow tags. If you check this one, then no one can tag you. Now if you scroll down, you'll find here these mention settings. It will be on this allow mentions from everyone. If you enable this option, then everyone can mention you under their post. If you allow this second option, from people you follow, then only the people you follow can mention, no one else can mention. And now in last option, if you choose this, don't allow mention, then no one can mention you in their post. And here it will also give you this option of review tags. If you open it, it will show you here these two options, tagged and pending tags. You can open it and here you can see the people that tags you under their post. So these were the some of settings for Instagram tags and mentions.